Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to verify the game files in Steam. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply select any game of your choice for which you want to verify the games. For me, it is Brawlhalla, and right now I want to verify its files. Well, it's quite easy. At the right section, you will see a button like this, a gear-like icon. Simply click on it. And from here, all you guys need to do is shift right over to properties. And guys, this is it. This is the properties section. From here, all you guys need to do is simply scroll over right to installed files. Click on it right now. And from here, you note that you can create a backup, move the game's content to another folder, or simply the thing we are looking for, verify this game's files. Click on this button associated with it. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the files are being validated. This is it guys. This is how you verify the integrity of files of any game in Steam. It is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.